Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Take a look at this photo right here. Gusty winds trigger elevated brush fire risk in parts of New Hampshire. Officials warn fires could spread quickly. Strong winds have created an elevated risk of brush fires in New Hampshire, fire officials warned Monday. The brush fire danger was classified as Category 2 or moderate for central and southern areas of the state. Fire officials said gusty winds coupled with the rapid snow melt over the past week led to the elevated risk. Anyone planning to burn debris will need a permit unless there is snow cover for 100 feet in all directions around the burn area. Bedford Fire Captain said wind and relevant humidity are factored into the brush fire risk. Burn regulations vary between cities and towns, so anyone planning to burn should check with the local fire warden. Bedford Fire Captain said the early burn warning could mean the state will face a long brush fire season this spring. And I checked the alert for Rockingham County and special weather statement, elevated fire risk for southern New Hampshire and southwest Maine on Monday, April 1st. Take a look. And here is a look at it right here. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great evening, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for another news report. Good night, everyone. Bye.